Hi everyone, the Home Service Pro here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove all of the calcium buildup off of your faucet using things that you probably already have in your home. It's quick and it's easy and you don't have to remove anything from your faucet to do this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so all you're going to need to clean the calcium off your faucet is some white vinegar, a sandwich bag, and a rubber band. Okay guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your sandwich bag and pour some of your white vinegar into your sandwich bag. And then you're going to take your sandwich bag and you're going to put it over top of your faucet like this. And you want there to be enough white vinegar where it covers the end of your faucet where all of that calcium is. And then what I'm going to do is take my rubber band here and I'm going to put it on top of the sandwich bag and just kind of tighten it into place. Like that. So that's what that looks like. And we are going to let this sit for about 2 hours and we'll come back and see how it did. Okay guys, so I've just been sitting here for a couple minutes and I can already tell that there's some calcium already breaking loose there. Do you see that? So this will be interesting how clean it gets. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours letting this soak. And as you can see in the bag, there's some calcium that's settled to the bottom there. You see that? All right, now we're going to take this off, rinse it off, and see how we did. All right, there's that. All right. Oh yeah, that looks brand new. That did a really good job. Well, there you go, guys. We got the faucet all cleaned up, no more calcium, and it's working very well. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.